HCC West Loop campus was recently host to Women in IT, a conference highlighting successful women in the field of information technology. Samir Saber tells us more about the event.
This is a Women in IT event. This is the first event that we're doing similar to this. It's basically to highlight the success of women in IT, to encourage students to get into this field. We got some great guest speakers, including Mary Dickerson, our keynote speaker. She's over the U of H system. She's an AVC of IT. We got some great panels as well. We got a panel with industry leaders. We got an education panel with some of our faculty, and a student panel as well that are going to share their experiences, their challenges, and what their outlook is on this industry.
I was very excited to be tasked with scheduling and planning this event along with Samir. This is an encouragement to our female community, and I'd like to be more involved in it. Basically, you want to encourage young ladies to take that route. We know for a fact that we need a lot more of folks in IT and security, and definitely more women involved as well.
It's not just, we talk a lot about computer science and people think it's all about coding. That's not the case. If you look at cybersecurity, there are so many niche areas just in cyber, for example. So it's really just encouraging them just to make the leap forward, hang in there, and trust the system that they'll be successful.
My feeling is that there's a desperate need in cybersecurity for skilled personnel in general, male, female, everybody who can contribute needs to. HCC has some really great resources in terms of equipment that's not necessarily being used as much as it could be. There are cyber competitions and things that we could engage in together to learn more.
I would like to encourage our students to know that there are opportunities for them, that we are there for them. Some of the keynote speakers today or panelists, they will be talking about scholarships and internships that are available to women. So I feel that this will help them and encourage them to be more involved in IT and security.
Some of the students have gotten together to make better use of the resources that are available but underutilized here at HCC because cybersecurity is needed in every single industry.
I'd like to promote security. I'd like women to be more involved in IT and security. So I'd like to see women involved more in IT and security. I would like them to be, to be encouraged. So I'm hoping that this event, I would like our young HCC female community to be encouraged to see those people where they are at and to think back and say, yes, I can be there, I can be like them, I can be one of them.
For me is just to be there as a mentor and just meet a lot of these students that are looking forward to make it, and just to make some connections and see what are some of their challenges and how I can, in my position, help them be better and improve.
For Stafford Weekly News, I'm Fernando Ramirez.